realise that they're going back Monday.
They're going back Monday? It's not 2 weeks gone, you know.
What, they've been here for longer, isn't it?
2 weeks gone. Monday, they came in on the Tuesday because they left Atlanta on the Monday.
Okay, why are you standing there filming? You pretending you're not filming.
It is those comments that I need to capture. Just wait. Give us your name, please. Miles. Thank you. People, this is Mandy's son and daughter. Okay? And that's her husband, Kevin. Okay? Right. And him you met, that young lady you met, that old lady you met already. And okay? So...
Just let me roll most of Cecil live show. I'm working in Egypt.
Now, standard wristbands, £150. VIP wristbands, £190. Book your space now with a £50 deposit. Go to shoes.com. Here's a checklist. Step 1. Secure your
I saw a cow over the other side of the street. So the cow's chilling.